Now we're going to be moving on to a few block diagrams just to illustrate how the adapters are going to work within a block diagram where you can have internal power supplies. So in this case, an automated human-machine interface could simply be a touchscreen, will be powered with an external adapter. So you can look at the AME24 up to the AME40, and this is going to convert the 90 to 264 VAC to 12 VDC output. And then our AM6C will then convert the 12 volts supplied from the adapter to 5 volts and then power the LDO, the MCU, and the WLAN chips. And the 12 volts coming out of the adapter can power the touchscreen and the display unit without being converted additionally by an internal power supply. So in this case, you will still need to get the design approved and certified because of the internal power supply. But it is a much more simple process to use an external power source as opposed to having an internal onboard AC-DC converter. But in the next example, where we're looking at a point of sale printer or POS printer, there is no internal power supply. You're directly getting your power from the external adapter. So this will save you additional certification time because there are no onboard power supplies. The power is coming purely from the external AC-DC adapter. So here we're going to be using wall mount adapters, either the AMA12, AMA18X, which is our 18 watt interchangeable wall mount adapter, or the AMA24. So 12 watts, 18 watts, or 24 watts of power. And then it'll be powering the various internal components of the printer directly. Finally, we're going to be looking at an intelligent weighing equipment. Again, here you have internal power supplies as well as external power supplies, but we're showing you that instead of using an AME 15-277 VZ internal AC-DC converter, you can directly skip that step and use an external adapter, either the AMA 18 or AMA 24, to power the internals of this intelligent weighing equipment. So as in the previous example, the adapter can power the touchscreen directly and a few other modules at the same time as powering Aimtech's internal DC-DC converters, which will then send the power to various internal components.